Welcome, Dr. Dan here, service technician at the Running Stitch. Did you know that you should oil your Bernina machine every 3 to 5 bobbins? That's what the manufacturer recommends, and following their advice will really make a difference in the longevity of your machine and the consistency of the stitching. With regular oiling and a little light cleaning, you'll have fewer thread breaks, quieter running, and a more pleasurable sewing experience. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean and oil a CB hook machine like the wonderful Bernina 550 Quilters Edition. The Bernina CB system, sometimes called an oscillating hook system, looks like this hook or this one. Note that in some machines, the hook has a black composite body instead of being all metal. If the hook system in your machine doesn't look like these, then you should find and watch our video for your machine. Before we can begin, we need to gather some cleaning tools. Some paper towels or other disposable cloth, a toothpick, a cleaning brush or cotton swabs, and a good quality sewing machine oil. Bernina machines come packaged with an oiler and a cleaning brush similar to these. If you have one handy, vacuums with a small attachment end are great for cleaning sewing machines. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. Safety first, as they say, so we'll start by powering off the machine and unplugging the foot controller and power cord. Next, we'll remove the presser foot, the needle, and stitch plate. This is an area where there's typically a lot of lint buildup. Now remove the bobbin case, then release and lower the hook race cover. Reach in and grasp the hook by the center spindle and remove it. Since we have the hook in our hands, now is a good time to inspect it for burrs. Run your fingernail from the point of the hook and along the length. Next, check the edges of the fingers that guide the thread. Your fingernail will catch on the burrs. Burrs can be removed by your service technician. Next, we'll get our brush or cotton swabs and clean out all the lint around the feed dogs. I use toothpicks to scrape off stubborn buildup. A vacuum with a small attachment is very handy for removing lint. Never use canned or compressed air as they blow dirt deeper into the machine. Now we'll clean the hook area. Using a brush or a cotton swab, clean any loose debris around the hook driver area. If there's buildup on the hook race, clean it out with a toothpick. Never use anything metal to scrape this area, as doing so can damage the hook race. Finally, clean the hook race cover. Often dried spray basting will build up here. Cleaning done, using your oiler, put a single drop of oil in the 7 o'clock area of the hook race. Replace the hook and close the race cover. Turn the machine over a couple of times using the hand wheel to distribute the oil and to ensure we put everything together correctly. Now reinstall the bobbin. Remember to sew a few stitches initially on some scrap fabric, as you don't want to get oil onto your project. Now, reinstall the stitch plate and the presser foot. This is the perfect time to install a new needle. Plug your machine back in and you're ready to begin sewing. Remember, every 3 to 5 bobbins, treat your machine to a little oil. Till next time,